Hey, what is up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone if you can't send messages to Android devices. Now, this is something that a lot of iPhone users have experienced, and I'm going to show you how to fix this one. Very easy, very simple. Go ahead and open your settings, and here at the top we're going to scroll down and we should be able to see there's a search bar. Go ahead and tap that one and we're going to type here messages. And you should see that option at the bottom. Go ahead and click that one. And this is something that most people are struggling. As you can see, if you are using iPhone to iPhone, when you send messages, it's usually sent and received via iMessage. For Android users, however, we don't really have that option. So what we are going to do is we're going to scroll down here and we should be able to see there send as SMS. Go ahead and click that one. Now, if you are going to read below, it says that send as SMS when iMessage is unavailable. Carrier messaging rates may apply. Again, this is what we are going to do if we are sending message to Android users. Now, you can just leave this enabled, the same thing for the iMessage, and you should have no problem sending messages to iPhone and Android users in the future.